Speaking with Darren Jameson, who's the CEO of Capstone Turbines. Mr. Jameson, I wonder, why should an organization choose a Capstone microturbine?
There's several reasons why an organization would choose a Capstone microturbine. It really depends on what the organization is. A lot of it is green building, energy efficiency, but also reliability of the product as well. A lot of oil and gas customers buy it for the reliability and the life cycle costs.
What if you could tell me several of the differences between a Capstone microturbine and other energy sources?
Sure. The first difference most people realize is the fact that we have no oil, no antifreeze, one moving part. So we're very well known for our air bearing technology and the fact that we don't have lube oil and anything from a maintenance perspective. We basically do maintenance once a year. The other big difference with our product is the emissions. We meet CARB 2010, EPA 2010, ultra low emissions compared to other traditional technologies, all without after treatment. Then obviously the third thing is ability to use our product in CHP or combined heat and power applications, lightweight, small footprint, great power to weight ratio.
Mm-hmm. Why is microturbine technology so important today?
It's important because energy efficiency is important, global emissions are important, and the ability to put product at the host where you can have the high efficiency and use that energy at the source is very important.
Tell me a little bit about the worldwide interest in Capstone microturbines.
The worldwide interest is really growing. We're in many different market verticals today and a global company, everything from Europe, Asia, Australia, South America, as well as the US. Europe used to be our biggest market. We're now seeing it spread across the entire globe.
What is some recent product development?
Well, we're standing behind one of our recent, in front of one of our recent product developments here, the C200. This is our 200 kilowatt microturbine. We also use it in our C1000, which is a megawatt scale solution. Other applications, we're getting into automotive, into transit bus applications, as well as the data center market.
What do you consider to be the ideal applications for a Capstone microturbine?
Really, there's so many. It can be from a landfill to a wastewater treatment plant, hotel, office building. You've got great applications worldwide. Plus, oil and gas. Oil and gas is a tremendous application for us. And then the automotive and the transit markets are very interesting.
Tell me about CHP and CCHP applications for microturbines.
Sure, most people know about combined heat and power. That's been around for a long time. Combined cooling heat and power is a little different. In this case, we take heat off the machine for domestic hot water usage or heating loads, steam loads, but we also do cooling. So you can take the heat, put it in an absorption chiller, and so you now have basically an HVAC solution, heating, cooling, and electricity all out of one package. We've done this at Walmart stores, Tesco grocery stores, as well as other industrial applications.
And microturbines can also be used in vehicles? Tell me about that.
Yeah, it's interesting. The company was actually founded 21 years ago on the vehicle platform. Hybrid vehicles 21 years ago were kind of ahead of their time, but now it's back to the future. We're doing transit buses today, New York, Baltimore, and some of the international transit properties, but we're also seeing some automotive opportunities open up.
What do you see as the future for Capstone microturbines?
I think microturbines in general are going to be more of a household name. I think people are going to see the technology from a hospital to the local grocery store, as well as automotive range extenders, transit buses, oil and gas, and everything else. I think because of emissions, because we can meet future emissions with good first cost and good maintenance costs, you're going to see more and more applications for microturbines.
Very nice.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.